Is your child finding it difficult to concentrate and pay attention? Are you as a parent finding it hard to channelize their energy? Let me show you activities that can help in developing hand-eye coordination, increase their focus and attention. Come on. For this activity, we need a roundie and a smiley. All they have to do is move it from side to side just as a gentle warm-up, and once you feel that they're ready for it, we got to move the smiley around the roundie. This activity requires focus, concentration, and really improves their hand-eye coordination. Like this, we have over 750 different activities that have been designed by experts from all over the world. These activities are simple and can be done right from the comfort of your home. Our program also includes all the equipment required to do these activities, which help in developing physical skills, hand-eye coordination, improve the concentration and the focus among the children.